Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, click on this little icon with a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Now just select one of those apps, click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources, or just tap on Images filter at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold the photo that you wish to add. Then click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!